went to go pick up a full-size bed to flip, and it started raining on us, so we got to get it off the bed and into the garage as soon as possible. Alright guys, we got it inside now, safe and sound. It is kind of wet. So moral of the story is, if you guys are going to go pick up beds to flip, look at the weather first and make sure that it's not raining, because it didn't get too wet. But if you let them get too wet, you can ruin them. Thankfully this one's just a used mattress, not a brand new one, but it's in good condition. I did notice it had a little bit of stains on it, but that does come off easily using, let me show you guys what the solution for that is. So to take off stains, you're going to need hydrogen peroxide. You're going to need baking soda. Now this baking soda brand you can buy at Dollar Tree, if there's a Dollar Tree in your area, for 50 cents. They sell this thing for 50 cents. Are you kidding me? This is for $1. I bought it at Dollar Tree as well. And last but not least, you're gonna need, I need more dish soap actually. You're gonna need dish soap. So you mix those all together. So you fill it, you get whatever bottle you're gonna use, fill it up all with hydrogen peroxide. Put about a cup of baking soda in it, or 2 cups if you really want it to get really white, your mattress. A couple of drops of dish soap, and you got yourself a good formula to get rid of these stains. Once you get rid of the stains, you can see it right here, look, there's a stain right there. It'll come off easily with that. You put it on there and then you rub it really good with a white towel, white rag. Very important that it's white, guys, alright? And then you can flip it. Of course you check it when you're buying it, you check it to make sure it doesn't have bed bugs and stuff for the used mattresses. And you'd be surprised the market that's out there for people looking for used beds. You wouldn't think about it, but we've sold quite a few of them. We've sold thousands of dollars of used beds to people that can't afford to buy brand new ones. So not only is it profitable for you, but you're helping people be able to find used mattresses in good condition. Of course, don't sell stuff that's really bad, guys. Come on. Find stuff that's in good condition, make it look a little nicer, and then sell it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. So the moral of this story is to not buy stuff when it's raining. And if you do pick up something that has some stains on it, this is the formula to use to get rid of it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel. We do more beds. For example, here we have a twin size bed. We painted it black. Nice gloss black, as you could tell there. Nice gloss black. And there you go. Now you can see it better. Sorry if my phone doesn't focus that good, guys, sometimes. Over here we have a day bed. That's the trundle right there. I gotta fix that trundle. It's missing one of the springs. I'm gonna fix that real quick. Get one more mattress for that trundle and sell it. We have another white trundle over here, and somebody actually gave us a free toilet. Pretty good condition toilet. So hey, when you're into the flipping business, if it's free, you pick it up, guys, and you can always get some money for anything, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos like this. You guys that are flipping, some tips and tricks, or you guys that are thinking of doing it yourselves. We have another bed down here too. A little black one, painted it black as well. So these beds were in horrible condition, guys, horrible. And also there was a hole up here. There was a hole. So if you go to Home Depot, these are made for cabinets, right? For you to grab the cabinet and pull it out. You can use these to fill in the holes that are sometimes left. There was a hole there, and there was a hole left over here. Alright. So, hopefully those tips and tricks help you guys out in your flipping business. And you guys have a good rest of your day. Subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video.